All right, hi everybody. All right, hi, it's me again. I'm coming at you with another face paint cosplay. Maybe, hopefully, I hope this goes well. I am planning to be Shego. We're just not gonna say what she means to me. Now, here's where things get interesting. Shego's skin color is kind of like a really grayish, whitish green. And you can't really find that color. So we're gonna have to mix today. I don't have similar brands or types of makeup for this mix, so it's gonna be an experience. I did get the Maron Paradise AQ in light green. But I couldn't find a white Maron stick at the time that I ordered this stick, and I'm not gonna double up on makeup because again, I ain't got money like that. I'm gonna be using the white and the May Cully. It's a little, I typically make a really nice paste out of these before I kind of put it on my face. But because I'm gonna be mixing and I don't want it to be this saturated, which I have done this color before when I did my Poison Ivy for LA Comic Con, I'm going to not go in as deep with it so that I can hopefully blend it with this. So I'm gonna, see, it's already pretty intense. And a lot of people wonder like how I get my face paint to not be streaky like it is right now. And that's because I usually create a paste. Jesus. If you want to face paint and you want to do like colorful looks like at all, Maron Paradise AQ is the way to go. I already kind of hate this. That rhyme. In the past, when I had not much experience with these kinds of face paints, I would have just done clown white in this. Let me tell you right now, I won't do that again. Clown white is mad thick. Thickums! You almost have to like scratch and carve your body out of it once you put yourself in it. I don't know where the lid is to this. That also is a very on-brand thing for me to do. Oh, I found it! The next step will be to like match my neck to my face. And then for my contour, the darker shading, I am going to use eyeshadow. This is where things get interesting because technically I should go in and set with my Maron Color Set powder. It is translucent. I feel like when I use setting powder, specifically on this, it gets a little kicky mistakey and it looks bad and chunky. So I'm gonna be brave and not do it. I'm gonna take my Fade into Hue palette, which we're not gonna look at because it is loved, but I am gonna start to go in with the bold type color at the bottom of the Fade into Hue palette. Give it some depth so it looks like a person. Ooh, don't sing that. I'm using the bold type in my Fade to Hue to give myself way bit of a nose now. To me, I have kind of messed up my nose, so I'm just gonna use that brush that I was using earlier and try to buff it out. Sweet, so it's a little bit lighter. I don't know, it's hard to tell. So you see I'm putting a big old glob because that's all I can really do. I did pick up a little bit of that green pigment, so I just have to be very careful. And I'm gonna do a little bit down my nose, a little bit more on my chin, and a little bit more in the center of my already incredibly big dome. There we go. There she go. I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and that I cannot do in here because I really need to be up on a mirror. So I'll be right back, and you'll see my eyeliner. All right, my eyeliner is done. And you know, I went for a bold underline under my eye because she's the bad guy, you know? That's actually not true. I did it because I messed up and I just had to commit, so it happens. I'm using the color Dyed Up in my Fade into Hue palette. I'm gonna use that for the base of this eyeshadow because the eyeshadow should be kind of like, the eyeshadow should be kind of radioactive. And I am packing it in here. I don't know. And I would tell you the color that I'm using right now. However, I have dropped this palette so many times that unfortunately I did shake up the colors. But if I can find the image, I will put it on the screen and show you what color that I used. All right, and then I'm gonna kind of buff this out a little bit, even it. Do my eyebrows, and then I need to add some lashes and a lip. I love you so much, buddy. I'm going to do my eyelashes. I'm going to be using some Ardell Wispies, and I'm going to be using the Duo Quick Dry Lash Glue, and I will be back. Ah, okay. Here's the scary part, the lips. I'm going in real lightly, and I'm only going to do my bottom lip. Sweet, nice and light. I'm also lining it with the color from the Just My Look palette. I'm lining the bottom lip, I should be clear. I'm lining the bottom lip. So, I've been using this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipsticks for a bit. They do tend to typically stay. You do, however, have to let these mofos dry. Because if you don't let it dry, you will be transferring it. Holy crap. Okay, and now I'm not gonna say words that use both of my lips, because this needs to dry. While this is drying, I better go and put on all the other stuff. Here she is. Here she go. Thank you so much for joining me. Yeah, I'm surprised it turned out. I'm gonna zhuzh the wig a little bit, add some hairspray because she's starting to stick to the face, which is why you should seal your face and don't do what I did. But I have a limited amount of time and a limited amount of energy and focus, so that's why I did what I did. But thank you for putting up with me. Thank you for putting up with me and Shaggy. I definitely appreciate it. Thank you for watching my channel. Please consider subscribing. If you want to do anything to support, there's a Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, all linked in my bio, or you can just like and share and comment something nice on this video. And maybe there's something you want to learn next or want me to try next, just let me know. I'm here. I also want to give a big shout out to my Patreons. Oh my gosh, all of this could not happen without you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you so much. And until next time.